Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Tips for starting a blog this week looks at how-to guides. How-to guides are informative posts that are mostly instructional in nature. They guide the audience to either solve a problem or achieve certain goals by giving step-by-step instructions. These posts are immensely popular since most internet users are curious to learn about new things. You can create a how-to guide to cater to these curiosities of the targeted viewers. It also poses an opportunity to share your specific practical skills with a massive audience. Consider these tips while creating how-to guides. Use firm and concise phrases to exude authority in the subject. Write in plain English so that everyone can understand your content. Break your steps and subheadings in the correct order and avoid using generic headings. Use bulleted lists to make your guide easier to follow. Write in short, active sentences. Conduct keyword research to add relevant keywords. Use graphics, screenshots, and videos to demonstrate the process. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.